Hey guys, Vetho Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you how to enable SSH on your Raspberry Pi. First of all, you need to install Raspbian, and after that you log in with your username and password. In case you don't know how to install Raspbian or Raspberry Pi OS, you can watch the video in the info card on the top right corner. Then you need to type in the console hostname -i, and then you get your name or IP address of your Raspberry Pi. After that, you type in sudo raspi -config, so it opens the configuration screen. Then you go down to advanced options, after that to SSH and click to enable it. And after that, your Raspberry Pi should be reachable with SSH. Then just click finish. Now you go to the putty.org website and download Putty. If you can, download the 64-bit version, and after that open Putty. After that, try to type in the Raspberry Pi IP address. In that case it will be 192.168.1.103 and then click open. And now you just need to log in as your username and then type in your Raspberry Pi's password, and after that, voila, you're done! You're now connected to your Raspberry Pi via your Windows PC. In case you're a Mac user, you just go to the Go section, then to Utilities, then you open the terminal, SSH Pi at your IP address, so in this case 192.168.1.103. And then you need to type in your password. Pretty simple, right? If you want more of those videos, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye!
With